Wada kasi pipicturan. Ano ba yun?
What can you say?
Picture ba yan?
Today is a happy day.
Happy
Happy day.
You can
I didn't hear the wishes of Anne.
say your wishes.
I
And
want video. I don't like video.
this should be
Oh, you will treasure that.
this should be a excuse me, this is a 1-minute video only.
Me, I don't like
So we have 30 seconds. Go.
Mamaya na yung wish ko.
For husband, nakikita ba? Boyfriend and future husband. You will be God.
Future husband. Okay. Go, Melay.
Blessings. Later, nakot off the record.
No.
No.
I have 10 minutes left.
Hindi, ayoko na recorded.
Oh, ako.
Ako.
Ako. Sandali lang.
Shot? Iyakan portion ba ito?
Wish ko kay Sandra, makita niya yung papa niya yung nagda-drive ng tricycle.
Ay, joke yun.
Joke. Hindi, I wish the best for Sandra and formal. Hindi. Year 2012, ano na, ando na yung man of God, ando na yung house, and syempre debt-free na siya, di ba? So,
Amen.
mayaman na siya.
Answered na yun.
Half a millionaire na siya.
Answered na yun.
Half a millionaire na si Sandra, so